Don't let its beauty fool you. This tiny creature is dangerous. Meet the blue dragon sea slug, one of the ocean's most incredible creatures. Even though it's only a few centimeters long, it feeds on venomous animals like the Portuguese man-o-war. Instead of being harmed, it stores their stinging cells inside its own body and uses them as a powerful defense against predators. It's one of the few animals that can turn its prey's weapon into its own. Would you pick this up if you saw it on the beach? Comment and subscribe for more.